Welcome to this micro-learning session on the working agreement. Establishing a working agreement is a simple yet powerful way to improve collaboration and create a positive team culture. A working agreement is a co-created set of shared guidelines, expectations, norms, and principles the team collectively agrees to follow in their day-to-day interactions. It outlines how team members will communicate, collaborate, make decisions, and resolve conflicts. Think of it as the social contract for your team, setting the foundation for how you'll work together effectively. A working agreement is important because 1. It creates clarity and alignment by setting clear expectations about how the team will operate. 2. It fosters a sense of ownership and accountability since everyone has a voice in creating it. 3. It helps build psychological safety, ensuring that all team members feel respected and valued, which in turn encourages open communication and innovation. And 4. Without a working agreement, teams often face misalignment, unclear expectations, communication breakdowns, and inconsistencies in how they collaborate and work together, leading to inefficiencies and conflicts that hinder productivity and progress. Here is how to create a working agreement. 1. Kick off with a team discussion. Start by bringing the team together to discuss what behaviors, practices, and guiding principles are important for effective collaboration. Ask questions like, how do we want to communicate with each other? How do we handle conflicts or disagreements? How do we want to celebrate successes? 2. Identify key behaviors and principles. Write down the key behaviors and principles that emerge from the discussion. The Scrum values of commitment, courage, focus, openness, and respect should be used to drive conversation on how the team will agree to exemplify each of these Scrum values. Ensure they cover aspects such as communication, meeting etiquette, decision-making, and conflict resolution. 3. Agree on the final set of guidelines. Collaboratively refine the list, ensuring everyone has input and agrees with the final version. Make sure the agreement is clear, concise, and actionable. 4. Make it visible. Display the working agreement where everyone can see it, such as on the team wiki or a physical whiteboard. This keeps it top of mind and reinforces its importance. 5. Review and adapt regularly. The working agreement is not static. It should evolve as the team grows and learns. Set a regular cadence, like at the end of each sprint retrospective, to review and update it as needed. We have available to you a working agreement template located on our transformation website on the resources page. Now, let's look at an example of an excerpt of a working agreement. For example, a topic may be, respect each other's time. An agreed to action may be on time for meetings and avoid multitasking. Have courage to speak up and listen actively. Encourage everyone to share their opinions and actively listen when others are speaking. Assume positive intent by approaching conflicts with the assumption that everyone wants what's best for the team. Be open to others' opinions and approaches to completing work. Commit to completing sprint goals with the highest quality. If we see sprint goal items lagging behind, ask if help is needed. Remember that we succeed or fail together as a team. Focus on flowing work continuously to done by eliminate waste and distractions. Key takeaway. A working agreement is a living document that serves as the foundation for effective collaboration, communication, and mutual respect within your team. By creating and adhering to this agreement, you set your team up for success, build trust, and ensure a positive and effective working environment. Thank you for joining this micro-learning session on working agreements.